Larissa, a major city in central Greece with a vivid, continuous Jewish presence for more than 1,900 years. All Larissa's Jews were traditionally living in the Sixth Streets quarter, also known as Evreika, Jewish, and at the heart of its quarter has always been their synagogue. The historic Synagogue of Larissa, with the symbolic name Etz Hayim, the Tree of Life, the hub around which the city's Jewish life has been blossoming for more than 6 generations, is now a ruin, ready to collapse. The old building, severely damaged by earthquakes and other disasters, but also by the relentless passing of time, was thoroughly examined and found dangerous and unsuitable for any activity. With its walls and old wooden columns rotten, its foundation deficient, our synagogue is in imminent danger of collapse. We were obliged to strip it of all its contents so that it can undergo radical static interventions. A temple with 160 years of history, where we have celebrated our holidays. We have held weddings, bar mitzvahs, bat mitzvahs, and other joyful events. We have remembered and honored our ancestors. A synagogue that has hosted all communal activities, with chairs always full of people. The damage in the synagogue is extensive, the cost of its restoration is huge, and the Jewish community of Larissa cannot bear it alone. We, the Jews of Larissa, have lost our religious home. We need your generous support to rebuild it. Any financial assistance matters. Each contribution is a mitzvah. Let's rebuild the Synagogue of Larissa together. Learn more at jcl.gr.